Gemini tutorials. PHP and JavaScript exchange variables. In this tutorial, we will learn how to pass variables from JavaScript to PHP and from PHP to JavaScript. First, how to pass JavaScript variables to PHP. I will show two methods for that, and the first method is passing JavaScript variable to PHP by echoing script tag in PHP file. Method 2, passing JavaScript variable to PHP using cookies. I will use JS cookie library. First, you need to import the CDN link before your JavaScript code, and I want to mention that this library is not a jQuery plugin, but it is recommended to put it after the jQuery script tag and before your custom code script tag. Of course, you would not remove the cookie, but I wrote all cookies manipulation statements using the JS cookie library. For your reference. Second, how to pass PHP variables to JavaScript. You can find all the source codes of this video in its description. Please like the video if you found it useful. This will support our channel, and consider subscribing to our channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell to get our new videos and source codes. Method 1. Pass a set of PHP variables to JavaScript using JSON encode PHP function. Method 2. Pass PHP variables to JavaScript using data attributes. You can add to the div tag the display property and set it to none in the CSS of the class to hide the div tag. I used Bootstrap class D none, because I use Bootstrap in all of my projects. Method 3. Pass PHP variable to JavaScript using cookies. Of course, you would not set the cookie before you take its value using the get function of the JS cookie library, but I wrote all cookies manipulation statements using this library. For your reference. Method 4. Pass PHP form variable to JavaScript to JSON using jQuery. Using JSON.stringify, and serialize array jQuery functions. You can read the output of serializing array function, using nested jQuery, each, loop function. That's it, we learned all the major methods of exchanging variables between PHP and JavaScript. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel if you found the video useful, and do not forget to visit our website to copy and paste all the source codes used in this video. You can find the link to the written article in the description. Cheers!